Hey guys, I am jacked because I got my new Mavic Air just a couple of days ago. Finally, we got a nice day to try this out. It's been windy, it's been rainy, but I'm excited. I sell real estate, so I'm out and about taking pictures and doing videos, but now I can have my own cameraman. And it's great because I can have the still camera like I do now, but then I can also have my aerial shots with my new Mavic Air. So let's just unbox it. You don't even need a remote control. You don't need your phone. All you need is the drone. And again, this is perfect for vloggers. If you're just out and about, get your drone out, send it up in the air. And again, it's only limited to probably 10, 15 feet in height, and it'll just follow you wherever you want to go. Now, obviously, the drone itself can do so many more things, but this is the hand gesture tutorial, if you want to call it that, on why I'm so excited about this. So I'm going to take this out of the little package, set that down, nice little carrying case, gonna unfold it. I probably did it backwards. All right, here we go. And undo the arms, put down the landing gear. Let's turn it on. Excellent. Now, what you'll notice, it's finding the signal. Once it goes yellow, let's see where we're at. Okay, I think we're good to go. So I'm going to hit the button twice. Well, once it goes yellow, there we go. Perfect. Now it is in gesture mode. So again, I'm new at this, so it should work just fine. Let's just find out. A little bit of breeze coming my way. It doesn't have obstacle avoidance on the sides, but it does have it on the front and the back and the bottom. So I'll just kind of be careful about the house here. All right, so let's see. All hand gestures. So you hold your hand out toward it. Green lights are flashing on the front. I know you can't really see that. It's taken off. All right, hold my hand up. And I talk with my hand, so this is gonna be tough. Okay, now the first thing I want it to do, it's focused on me now, is, well, what's it doing? It's going yellow. I guess that's good or bad, I don't know. I'm gonna hit there's a hand gesture to start video, so that's what I'm gonna do. Do like this. Okay, video started. The way I know it is the lights went off on the front. So the green lights went off. Now I'm going to go up in the air with it. You just hold your palm straight at it and make it go up. Now typically it'll go a little bit higher, but that's okay. Now I can make it go to the right by putting my hand to the right. Make it go to the left by putting my hand to the left. Whoa! All right, now come on toward me. Let's try a couple of things. Now if I want it to really get toward me, I'm going to put my hands together. All right, here we are. I want it to go further back, let it go back. And again, if I want it to go up, palm toward it, up in the air. Awesome. All right, perfect. Now, let's just see if it'll follow me around. There's no obstructions, and it should. Everything's working. So, again, for you guys that do a daily vlog, I think this will be perfect. I mean, for me, you know, on occasion, but it's like having your own cameraman with you no matter where you go. Great for your B-roll, or if you're like me, I've got my phone in my pocket that's actually doing a voice recorder with the mic, so we'll sync that up, and I can talk the whole time while I'm out and about. So far, so good. So far, so good. It's following me. And I could set the distance a little closer if I wanted, and I think it's still following me. Yeah, there it is. So if I want to set my distance a little closer, let's bring it in. Awesome. All right, right there. I might try to raise it up. Let's see what happens. Read my palm. I'm going up. Yeah, all right, let's send it out and then I'll go up. Okay, now up. Perfect. Okay. Now, I'm going to do another mode that's really cool where it'll take still shots. I think it's still recording. I can't quite tell with the sun. I'm going to bring it toward me. Okay. Whoa, baby. All right, let's go up. Okay, excellent. I'm going to stop video. All right, see the green lights are back on. So this is good. If I want to take a picture and do a selfie mode, peace sign, get a good picture. Awesome. So this is great for group shots, or if you're just out and about and you don't want somebody to hold your camera, you got your drone for it. All right, next thing is kind of a group selfie mode, or actually what it does it'll take 3 separate pictures in 3 different areas. So I hold up 2 fingers like that. Now it knows what to do. It's going to take my picture. Now it's going to go up, take another picture. Now it's going to go back, take another picture. And then it's going to return. There it comes. And how cool is that? All right, here we go. Let's put on the video one more time. Perfect. Doing the video. I'm going to walk toward it. Yeah, this is working. All right, let's see what it does there. I was kind of wondering how it would work if I'm walking toward it, if it would back up or not. And I think it will. I'm going to try to send it up in the air. All right, excellent. Go up. Keep going. Palm forward. Keep going. Can you keep going? We'll see. All right, let me walk toward it. Yeah, I like this mode. This is very cool. All right, tree behind it. Don't know if obstacle avoidance is going to catch it. I'm just curious. I'm going to get real close. Whoa, baby. All right, come on. Let's see. It may or may not. Okay, we're good to go. All right, I'm going to put on a little speed. Not that I'm that fast a runner, but let's just run around. I fooled it. It's looking for me. I made too quick of a motion. All right, let's see if he catches me again. Yeah, he got me. All right, we're back in business. All right, so I guess you can outmaneuver it. Wouldn't think so, but all right, let's come on up. Excellent. Now, I should be able to land this. I haven't really tried it. Let's get it over the sidewalk. Again, right motion, goes right, left. Let's go left. Whoa. Go. Oh, that wind is catching it now, baby. Okay, I'm gonna try to land it on the walk. Let's get a little closer. Okay, let's turn around. Okay, now, gesture to land. Down, down, down. Unbelievable. All right, we're back in business. And I think, well, it's not going to follow me. I think the gimbal's still going to work, though. If I get closer, yeah, it raises up. If I go back, it goes down. Now, this would actually be a cool mode to do your own, you could do a still shot. So if I wanted to set it up somewhere, even on a tripod possibly, and just have it just sit there and follow you. I mean, I guess it wouldn't, the gimbal wouldn't go like this, but it would go up and down. So that's another pretty cool feature. So I'm kind of jacked about this. I'm gonna turn this thing back off. Yep, okay. Fold everything back up. Which one's first? I always forget. There we go, those first. And back in the case. Yeah, you know what I forgot? There we go. I think I did it backwards. That goes first, this goes next. Okay, okay. I'll get there. Not bad for the first time. All right, here it goes. Back in the case. I think I got that right. Unbelievable. All right, the Mavic Air, guys, this is what you need, whatever you're doing. I don't care. It's your own personal photographer. So